Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. Our next story takes us here to Arizona. You know, climate change and infrastructure are hot topics these days, but even with all the talk about building highways and hospitals and power systems, there's not much talk about eco-friendly construction. The fact is, steel to make all those things releases a lot of greenhouse gases unless you come to a place like Mesa, Arizona, and the way they make steel. Steel, it's necessary to support most all structures for infrastructure and commercial construction, and extremely high temperatures are required to melt the steel that produces concrete reinforcing steel known as rebar. Traditional blast furnace steel-making methods use plenty of energy and natural resources, so they emit excessive amounts of carbon dioxide. In fact, on average globally, every ton of steel produced emits nearly 2 tons of CO2. In total, steel making accounts for about 5% of the world's greenhouse gas emissions.
Steel is one of the most important engineering, construction, and manufacturing materials in the world. We use it every day. I think to make steel more eco-friendly, John, we need more industrial electrification. And by that I mean we need more steel being produced with electric arc furnace, using metal as the raw material, recycled metal, and electricity as the power source. Steel produced by EAF producers is up to 75% less in CO2 emissions than blast furnaces.
One such green steel producer using the electric arc furnace is Commercial Metals Company, headquartered in Irving, Texas, and a global leader in metal recycling and sustainable steel manufacturing.
Really, environmental stewardship is at the heart of this company, and it started with our roots. We're a company that's over 100 years old. We started as a recycling company, and we were green before green was cool.
Now, with 184 facilities in the U.S. and Poland, CMC is the largest rebar producer in the U.S. And here in Mesa, Arizona, at what's called its micro mill, is their new innovative process using EAF technology, where the company collects scrap metal, melts it, and forms it into steel rebar in a single, uninterrupted process. This micro mill doesn't use blast furnaces and iron ore like many steel producers, but rather uses a unique continuous EAF process to melt recycled scrap metal that eliminates the need for the majority of natural gas.
The arc at the tip of the electrode is hot enough to raise the temperature of the steel and to give you molten steel, liquid steel. And in fact, behind us here is the last heat that we made, and you can see the temperature of the steel was 2,995 degrees.
And there are a number of benefits when you use recycled material. It's much more energy efficient. It's a lot more flexible cost structure. But first and foremost, we're reusing a material that would otherwise be waste. To put it in perspective, we recycle 18 billion pounds of material on an annual basis that would otherwise end up in a landfill.
So we were the first to construct and operate a micro mill producing rebar right here in Mesa, Arizona, and we're not done with that yet. The efficiencies, environmental benefits were so profound that we are now constructing a second generation micro mill that will not only produce rebar, but will produce merchant products.
The development of the micro mill takes the green steel making process to the next level by producing steel rebar in a single uninterrupted strand from melting to casting to rolling. It totally eliminates the need for the natural gas reheat furnace, thereby reducing overall energy consumption and emissions from burning that energy. Now, it may be hidden from view inside concrete structures, but rebar supports highways and hospitals, stadiums and skyscrapers rebar really is the backbone of modern infrastructure.
You'll see CMC steel in almost everywhere you can turn. You can see it in the Tappan Zee Bridge in New York. You can see it at the Pentagon. You can see it at AT&T Stadium in Dallas. You can see it on many of the big bridges in California. So really everywhere you can turn, you can see CMC steel. Our recycling operation really supports a circular economy. We take scrap metal that would generally be discarded into landfills, and we turn it into a new usable steel product that can be seen all throughout America.
Steel is the most recycled product in the world today, and it can be recycled again and again. You might say steel production is naturally sustainable, and CMC is using its recycling and innovative green steel making technology to save energy as well.
Steel is not going away, and at Commercial Metals Company we're going to continue to innovate and find ways to make it more efficiently and continue our green roots.
So yesterday's scrap is really tomorrow's steel. Through metal recycling, renewable energy, and innovation, CMC is committed to what it really does best, making sustainable steel to help hold our world together.